look into your heart, there's a light that shines toward tomorrow.